That's it.
One count the cement. Simple. One count the cement.
Yes, we're not there. We're not there.
It's okay, go. Funny say.
Hey. What you tell me, baby?
Ya te mon frère. Wafa. Hey, Wafa. Oh, you don't get GTV, I will take the footage. Hello.
Yesterday we were here, we wrote on the walls, stop, they will not stop. So the best thing to do now, the fresh one they are doing, we hold it down, then we are taking away some of their materials to prevent them from coming back in the night. Because we understand they work day and night. Day and night. Nobody have put down anybody's building. No, we are not doing that. That is not the exercise we are here to do. We are here to educate them. We are here to let them understand that enough. The little that is, remaining, let's protect it. That's all.
So what happens to the old ones? What happens to the old ones?
That is the phase 2. We will engage those who have the old one or those who have encroached and built on it already. We engage them, have that conversation, then we'll pick it up from there.